Now on our XAU USD, which is also our gold, let's see where our price will be moving this week. We can see we were on a downward trend. Well, if you are to see it, we are actually on a downward trend. We are actually falling, but it got to a point where we were actually ranging within this area here. We saw this pull back here. We saw this fall again, tested with also saw this bullish move, and now we've actually see a break below it. One thing I know about these things, when we actually see a fall, when on a downward trend, we will actually be waiting for a pullback. It is exactly what would likely happen this week on our gold. So we would possibly want to be seeing a bullish move, which would be a retracement to test this area where our price broke below. We can see here was once our support level here, before it actually broke below it, and possibly we will be waiting for a pullback. Now for about Thursday, Friday, we can see it. We are actually starting to go bullish. We can see this huge week close bullish. We can see this week here close bullish, which means our price is actually failing to continue to go downward, and when we see it, we possibly be waiting for like a bullish move, which is our pullback. Possibly our price, our gold itself would actually be going bullish this week, by the way. And we can see it has now hit this our key level area here. We can see our price reacted here, right? We can see here price once serves as it supports a level area here, and once our price has actually reacted around this key area here, so definitely we should be seeing that reaction here again, and our price has gotten to that area here, so we should be seeing that reaction whereby we will be seeing a bullish move on our gold for the week. Now on our 4-hour time frame, our price is actually ranging, actually giving us like inconsistent movements, directionless movements. But let's see if it will continue to go bullish for the week. What I am aiming for, and 1-hour time frame would also be aiming for it. See inconsistent movements. So if our price fails to break below this area here, if it fails to break below it, then we'll consider taking our buy. But if it breaks below it, then we can consider it as a continuous bearish move. But let's wait and see if our price breaks above this area, our large wick here. We can see on our 1-hour time frame, we can see this week. If our price breaks above it, then I'll advise take your buy position. But if not, we might continue to be seeing that ranging move here for like Monday, Tuesday, before we can see probably a bullish move or a bearish move on our gold for the week. Thank you.